everybody, it's like Becky and like Joe. Holla.
That Shinzy wannabe.
Yeah, her name is Shinzy. Look at her. She's like beautiful. Come here, Shinzy. What's her name? Her name is Shinzy, and this is Agaya.
No, my name is Joe.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
How can you forget your best friend's name?
Maybe you're not my best friend.
That's mean.
No, it's
I
not.
want to see Shinzy.
Agaya is like richer than you.
So?
At least she doesn't live with Zachariah. Hey.
Shinzy! I know you don't like me either. No, but you're on camera. You little diva.
Here, film me with Shinzy wannabe.
Alright, let me see.
Let me see this. Hey!
Yeah.
So, this is my kitty. Her name is Shinzy wannabe. It's her full name. But for short, it's just Shinzy. And she's like, holla! Holla to peeps down in the peep court.
No.
I love her.
You don't know. She used to be so mean. Now that she's on camera, she's like so nice.
I know. Usually, when she's not on camera, she scratches your face and she meows and she's like, rawr, I hate you. But now she's like, oh, rawr, I love you.
I know. Can you see those scratches right there? Yeah, there's somewhere right there. And she bit me right here.
She bit me on my nose and scratched me right here. Well, of course, when she bit your nose, that scared me. When she bit your nose, your fake nose got all messed up.
Need the phone.
Wait a minute.
OMG.